In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a Trello card. Archiving cards is a handy feature in Trello for keeping your boards tidy, allowing you to remove cards that aren't immediately necessary without deleting them permanently. But what if you need to bring one of those cards back? Well, that's exactly what we're going to walk through today, so just sit back and follow along. First, you're going to open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're there, take a moment to glance toward the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Login. Give that a click. If you're not signed in automatically, you'll have a chance to log in using your preferred method. Whether it's through Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack, even just using the classic email login, Trello has you covered. Once you're logged in, next we need to navigate to the board where your archived card is stored. This is where accessing the board menu comes in handy. To do this, open your chosen Trello board, and up in the top right corner you'll see three dots arranged vertically. Click on these and you'll see the board menu drop down. This menu is full of important tools, but right now our focus is on tracking down those archived treasures. In the menu, look for an option labeled More, click on it and you'll find another option that says Archived Items. Give that a click and now you'll see a list of items that have been archived on this board. Think of it as unlocking an archive of past actions, where everything is neatly tucked away for just such an occasion as this. Now from the list of archived items presented, find the card you want to restore. It might look like you're wading through a lot, but with a few clicks your card will reappear as if it never left. After locating the card you want, you'll see an option to send to board. This is your golden ticket. Click on send to board and voila. The card has been restored to the active board, returning to its original list and memorable position. And there you have it, your archived Trello card is now back on your active board ready for action. Whether it's resuming a paused project or picking up an old task like it was yesterday, you can see just how effortlessly Trello lets you keep things moving. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, keeping your workspace organized shouldn't be about endless clutter, it's about making those items work for you. So, use these features to your advantage. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Trello, drop a comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one.